If your drywall textured finish looks all blotchy and uneven, you're definitely not alone in dealing with that frustrating mess. Okay, so first off, when you're putting on that texture, try to keep your spray or brush strokes super consistent. Like, don't change up the speed or pressure halfway through because that's how you get those ugly patches. Make sure your drywall surface is totally clean and dry before you start. Any dust or moisture will mess up the texture sticking evenly. If you're spraying the texture on, hold the can or sprayer at the same distance from the wall the entire time. It helps to practice on a scrap piece of drywall first, so you get a feel for how it looks with different pressures or angles. Don't rush it either. Slow and steady wins here, especially if you're doing knockdown or popcorn textures. When you knock down the texture, wait just the right amount of time. Not too wet and not too dry. Otherwise, it won't flatten evenly. Lastly, use quality tools and materials because cheap stuff can make the finish look patchy and harder to work with. One of the biggest drywall texture mistakes is not prepping the wall properly, which leads to the finish flaking or looking uneven. Fix that by cleaning and priming the drywall well before applying texture. Another common issue is inconsistent spray patterns or pressure causing blotchy spots. Keeping your hand steady and practice helps tons here. The third problem is rushing the drying time or knocking down texture too soon or too late, which makes weird lumps or thin spots. Just keep an eye on timing and test a small area first before finishing the whole wall. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find reliable local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to drywall and other home projects. Plus, it helps contractors get connected with people looking for their services, so everyone wins without the usual hassle.